Ford Ranger audio systems can experience various issues that require resetting to restore proper functionality. The most common problems include frozen or unresponsive touchscreens, Bluetooth pairing failures, and audio output issues like distorted sound or complete silence. Modern Ford Rangers from 2024 and 2025 feature the advanced Sync 4 infotainment system with significant improvements over previous generations. Sync 4 includes large touchscreen displays, over-the-air update capability, enhanced smartphone integration, and improved self-diagnostic features that can automatically resolve minor software glitches. Despite these improvements, resets are still sometimes necessary. There are three main types of resets available, each designed for different situations and severity levels. A soft reset restarts the system while preserving your personal settings and paired devices. This is the gentlest option for minor glitches. A hard reset returns the system to factory defaults, erasing all personal settings, paired devices, and customizations. This is more thorough for persistent problems. Battery disconnection provides the most complete reset by cutting all power to the system. This method requires the most reconfiguration afterward, but resolves the most stubborn issues. Understanding when each reset method is appropriate helps you choose the right solution for your specific audio system problem. Reset procedures become necessary when the system becomes completely unresponsive, when Bluetooth devices fail to pair, when audio output is distorted or absent, or when navigation functions freeze. The latest Ford Rangers with Sync 4 have significantly reduced the frequency of these issues through improved software stability and automatic error recovery. Over-the-air updates automatically deliver software fixes, self-diagnostic capabilities detect and resolve issues automatically, and enhanced system stability means fewer crashes and freezes overall. While modern Ford Rangers are more reliable than ever, knowing the different reset options available ensures you can quickly resolve any audio system issues that may arise. A hard reset returns your Ford Ranger's audio system to its original factory defaults, erasing all personalized settings and paired devices. There are two primary methods to perform a hard reset on your Ford Ranger. The first method uses the settings menu on your infotainment screen. The second method involves disconnecting your vehicle's battery. This provides the most comprehensive reset, but requires more time and effort. After performing a hard reset, you'll need to reconfigure your personal settings. This includes repairing Bluetooth devices, setting radio presets, and adjusting audio preferences. Modern Ford dealerships now include audio system health checks as part of routine maintenance visits. This proactive approach helps prevent issues before they require a hard reset. Remember that hard resets should be used when soft resets fail to resolve the issue. Always try the settings menu method first, as it's safer and more convenient than battery disconnection.